Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be installing some door poppers on the rear doors of my 54 Bel Air. I've never done it before, so it'll be a bit of a learning experience. So let's get to it. This is for the door lock. I'm not going to need this anymore, but we'll save it. After looking at this mechanism and how it works and stuff, this lever right here is for the inside door handle, so we need that. I'm gonna drill a hole in this piece right here, and I think I'm gonna run a cable from here, and after looking at the door, I'm gonna have to run a cable, and the cable will come down through here, and then there right here will be a pulley. So the cable will go around the pulley and then go straight down to the solenoid, so the solenoid can pull straight down on it. That's how this one's gonna have to work. So I don't need this mechanism. I can get rid of this. I can get rid of this piece, that piece. Just stuff that I'm not gonna be using anymore because the door handles are gonna be shaved on the outside. So I need to hook up to this for my solenoid. And then this will be the inside door handle. The rod will hook to that. So I'm going to take the grinder, and this I should be able to just grind that down, and then this whole piece should just pop off. All right, let's get to it. Okay, I got all the stuff I wanted cut out of there out, so plenty of room to run my cable from here. It'll come down at an angle. It has room to come through here now. This little mechanism right here moves, so I think I'm gonna just put a little tack weld right there so it doesn't move anymore. This has a crack in it right here. I'm gonna put a tack weld in there and make that strong. It also has a crack on the other side. So I'm gonna put a couple tack welds in there, hopefully strengthen that up, and then I'll smooth it off and everything. Okay, I got my latch mechanism. I got everything cut out of there that I don't need. I got some welds in there where there were some cracks and stuff. And this, I drilled a hole right here for my cable to hook into. So that's all good. Now I need to mount this pulley. So this is going to be in here like this. My pulley is going to be about there. Right about there. So my cable will come down like this and then wrap around, and it'll come straight down. My solenoid will be down here. Got that on there pretty tight. You can see this is hitting right here, so I think I might take a little bit more off of that so it sits in tighter. Okay, I just had to grind some more off of that spot, and now we're looking all good. So it's gonna be pulling just like that, not hitting anything. All right, I got the mechanism, got everything greased up before I put it back. Gonna run my pulley in here, run my cable through my pulley. All right, that seems to be working good. Now test the window, roll the window down, make sure it's not going to hit anything. Right about there, I think. Cable's coming down just like that. Put a mark here. Okay, so I got the solenoid mocked up. I didn't crimp that wire, that cable crimp down here yet, but I got it all set in place, and it's holding pretty tight, but I just wanted to test this. So my plunger would go up like that. And if I just pull down on this, the way the cable's set up right now, it unlocks it, and the solenoid goes all the way down and bottoms out. So far, I think that's pretty good. Once I get it wired up and actually test it, I'll be able to make fine-tune adjustments, I'm thinking. So now I'm just going to run some wires, but I'll just do the same thing to the other side. It's all wire work now. All right, so the wiring was pretty simple. Power and ground. Ground here, ran my power. It's down inside here. Comes along, goes to the back. Through to the trunk. Here's the module there. And a lot of this wiring I didn't need to use. It's got like 7 functions on it, and I'm only using 2, so it was a pretty simple setup. Door number 1. Oh yeah! I don't even have plungers, spring-loaded plungers set up yet, but I might have to get some. Door number 2. Love it.